The United States Geological Survey reported a magnitude 4.2 quake in Georgia near Telavi, Kakheti, only 15 minutes ago. The earthquake hit early morning on Wednesday, July 17, 2024, at 6:09 a.m. local time at a moderately shallow depth of 37.4 kilometers. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. Our monitoring service identified a second report from the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC, which listed the quake at magnitude 4.2 as well.